So the other rule that we use with significant figures is when we're doing calculations that involve multiplication and division. And so that has a different set of rules. So if I take two numbers and I were to multiply the numbers 2.500 and I were to multiply that number by the number 3.0, then again, if I do that calculation on the calculator, so if I'm multiplying, then the calculator is going to tell me that that number is 7.500. And so again, I want to know how many significant figures am I going to report that to, because again, with significant figures, the key is to match the levels of precision in our original numbers. So when we're dealing with multiplication and division, we look at the total number of significant figures. And so 2.500, that has 4 significant figures. And the number 3.0, because again, the trailing decimal places after the 0 are considered significant. So 3.0 has 2 significant figures. We go with the lowest number. So 2 is the lowest number. So I want my number that I report to have 2 significant figures. So then I would look in 7 and 5, those are my 2 significant figures. So since these numbers following the 5 are 0, I don't need to round. So the final answer that I would report then would be 7.5, and that would have my 2 significant figures in my final answer.